Okay, so today I'm shooting an interview with Melissa. She's going to chat to us about homeschool, and I'm just showing you some of the behind the scenes stuff. So today I'm shooting with a Canon M50, and I tend to use the cine style picture profile. I've got just one key light, and then I've got this kind of lamp that I'm using as a rim light, although it's pretty dim in comparison to the key light, so I'm not sure if you can even see it on the final product. I'm recording audio with the Rode SC1 straight into my phone using the Rode recording app, and then I'm doing all my editing in Adobe Premiere. I do my post-production in Pro Tools, and this is the last bit of bringing the audio in and running the export. I've got a very old MacBook Pro. Takes 3 hours to render 3 minutes of video. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this behind the scenes video, and please check out the video with Melissa telling us about homeschool.